Yes, hello everyone. Before I start, I would like to appreciate each and every person who is liking and sharing this content. So welcome to today's topic, and today we'll be looking into how to formulate and craft a story for your sales journey. And this one is part one. Think of a time, a place, or an event that you went above and beyond to make a real difference in your customer's life. How did they feel? What are the attributes that you should be looking at when you're crafting your sales stories? One is time. Time indicator is a clue that something is about to happen. The second one is a place. For something to happen, it has to happen somewhere. The third one is your main character. In selling, main character are the customers. Those are our main characters. In a story, you can have more than 3 even main characters. But for now, let's concentrate on our main character, who is the customer. The fourth one is the obstacles. What are the obstacles that that you faced, and how did you solve them? The fifth one is your common goal, or the understood goal from your main character, that is the customer. What was their goal, and how did you achieve this? How did they involve through the whole process? The sixth one is events. For a story to happen, something has to happen. That is a story. A story needs to have a relay of events. A story is the only way that we can remain original and be unique in the market.